Hey, what's going on, guys? Ryan DePaul here. So in this video, what I'll be covering is how to create your social media content or posts with Nowsite 2.0 powered by ChatGPT. So with that, we're going to dive right into this one. As you can see, I'm on their site. I'm in the AI section for the Nowsite 2.0 that is powered by ChatGPT. And we're going to get right into it. I'm going to show you guys how you can do this one. Why do you want to use this compared to ChatGPT? Because you don't have to worry about this one being down when ChatGPT, say that 5 times fast, is bogged down with all these free users that you're getting. So this right here, I can go here and just go ahead over here and click on this. Say, hey, I would like to create this. So I can either type it in here. I'm going to use my voice chat or talk to the text feature that I have on my computer to do this one. So what I'm going to do is have it create me, let's do 3 social media posts for beauty tips, because people love beauty. So let's do this one. Write 3 social media posts about beauty tips. So let's see what happens. And you'll click this. See what spits out. As you're waiting, see it spinning, it's thinking. Look at this one. Nice. Did you know that using a moisturizer with SPF can help protect your skin from the sun's harmful UV rays while keeping it hydrated and looking beautiful? Beauty tip, moisturizer, SPF. Applying eye cream every night before bed can help reduce puffiness and dark circles, making you look refreshed and bright in the morning. Beauty tips, eye cream. Number 3, regular what's that word? Exfoliation, yeah, you know what that is. Can help unclog pores, remove dead skin cells, and give your skin a healthy, glowing look. Beauty tips. Exfoliation. There we go. Exfoliation. Ha, I said it. So, 3 tips right there. I can post that right there. Now, let's say, write another one. Write another. A social media post. Social media post about beauty tips. And go out there. Drinking lots of water daily, every day, helps keep your skin hydrated. Not to mention, it also is it's also essential for keeping your overall health in check. Beauty tips, like water hydration. You can keep on pumping them out. Just little social media posts like that, little blurbs that will help put a picture of your face up there. Or you can go ahead and use the pictures that they have in their system right here. So I can go here, go to social media posts, and then like, hey, I want to pick some of this stuff right here. Let's go over here and add a new one. And I want to go over here and images. Where is that? Look for beauty. Do I have any beauty? Cosmetics, fitness, insurance. I think it would be under cosmetics, I think. Unless you guys see a beauty. Do you see a beauty? I don't see a beauty. I see engagement, food, travel, personal services, education, business services, funny, it's inspirational. I'm going to say cosmetics. So cosmetics. And yeah, just pick one. You go through it and pick whatever you want. But yeah, like you can pick this one, like boom, hey, that's perfect. Download that, you're good to go. So you go back, or you can upload your own. So it's that simple. And you go back over here, copy and paste it to your Facebook or your social media, IG, whatever it may be. And boom, you have your content. Took me less than 5 minutes. Literally less than 5 minutes. So that's a easy way to just create content, social media posts. We can do another one. Let's say, okay, you don't want to do beauty? No problem. Let's go ahead and do how to, it's a good one. What's a trending thing right now? How to, do I want to do weight loss? How to lose belly fat. Write a social media post on how to lose belly fat. You know what? Let's get a little more detailed. And my thing is picking up. Exciting. Boom. Okay. Tired of wanting to lose that stubborn belly fat? We have a solution for you. Try the 30-day ab challenge and watch as the inches start to shed off. Ab challenge, lose belly fats, get fit. See, for me, that's more like a promotion or advertisement. So, I wasn't really specific. So write a, you know what? I got one. Write on tips for about tips on how to lose weight. Let's see if this one works. Do I have an extra? Yeah, there we go. So it's just about the wording and get everything out there. Here we go. Look at that. Shed belly fat quickly with this simple and effective tip. Reduce your intake of processed foods, sugary snacks, and drinks, and instead focus on eating more fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and complex carbs. Belly fat loss, healthy eating, nutrition tips. It's all hashtags. You do the hashtags and it's amazing. And right there, you can put a picture of your protein shake or you eating a salad, whatever you want to do. So cool right there. Now you just copy and paste that, put a picture up there, you're done. Your social media. It's less than 10 minutes. I did all this right here. That's the power of this system right here, guys. So if you want to get access to this system, it won't be available until February for the public. But if you want to get access to this and get this, because this is in beta right now, so I'm actually doing beta stuff and it's learning as I'm going to, as I'm doing it. So if you want access to this before anybody else, go ahead and click the link or the pinned comment in the comments. Click on that and get going right there, because right now they're doing a special. It's 50% off for the first year. So you can do month to month or you can do yearly, annually. Totally up to you how you do it. But yes, guys, this is amazing and you don't want to miss out on this one. This is so cool. I love this. This is going to help my business so much. And I'm just showing you what the AI portion is doing, not even what the whole system is doing. I will show you that one of these days in another video. So if you have any questions or concerns, guys, please put it in the comment below. I will be happy to answer that. I am very active on my YouTube as well. If you don't want to wait for my comments or you think, hey, he's not going to answer, give me a call or text me. My number's in the description below as well. I will answer that. That's my direct line, so I answer those. So with that, guys, do me a favor. If this is your first time checking out one of my videos, go ahead and hit that big red button below. Yep, the subscribe button. And right next to it is a little bell. Click that little bell and hit the all, because anytime I put out any new content, YouTube will send you a notification saying, hey, Ryan DePaul just put out a new video. You like this last one and you got some value from it. So you might want to check out this one too. So with that, guys, I'm going to wrap this up. Hopefully you got some good value from this one. Hopefully you don't wait around and you actually jump on this one. Click that link. Don't wait, guys. I'm telling you right now, you're going to kick yourself in the butt. But until then, guys, take care, be safe, and be blessed.